The Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, is seeking death penalty for the rape of a 26-year-old woman inside a bus while it was parked in the middle of a very busy, crowded area just about 100 meters from a police station. The man responsible for the rape allegedly is Ramdas Gade. He is absconding, but he's also a history sheeter who was out on bail. A manhunt is on. The police have deployed 8 teams and sniffer dogs. He has at least 6 cases of theft, robbery and chain snatching registered against him.
वो अपने गांव जा रही थी तो वो 5:30 6:30 के दरमियान बस स्टैंड में थी। तो उस टाइम पे ये आरोपी जो है उसके पास आया, उसने उससे पहचान बनाई और मीठा मीठा बात करके उसको बोला कि कहाँ जा रही है दीदी, तुम कहाँ जा रही हो। तो वो लड़की ने बता दिया कि मैं फलटन जा रही हूँ। तो उसने बोला कि फलटन जा रहे हो तो वो फलटन की बस तो यहाँ नहीं लगती, बोले वो तो उधर लगी है। तो लड़की ने बोला कि नहीं बस तो यहीं पे लगती है। तो बोला नहीं मुझे पता है यहाँ का सब, वो बस वहाँ पर लगी है, आप जल्दी चलो मैं आपको बिठाता हूँ बस में। ऐसा करके उससे बात करके उसको लेके गया है। सीसीटीवी फुटेज में वो दोनों बात कर रहे थे, लड़की उसके साथ जा रही थी, ये सब उसमें दिख रहा है सीसीटीवी फुटेज में। वो बस के पास जाने के बाद वो लड़की ने बोला कि बस में तो अंधेरा है। तो उसने बोला कि रात के लोग है, रात की लेट हुई है बस, तो लोग अंदर सोए हैं इसीलिए लाइट बंद है, तुम अंदर जाके टॉर्च लगा के देख लो, लोग वहां पर होंगे। तो ऐसा करके उसको मतलब उसका विश्वास ये करके वो लड़की अंदर गई। फिर ये पीछे से अंदर गया और दरवाजा बंद किया। उसके बाद उसने उसके साथ ये गलत हरकत की।
स्वारगेट एसटी स्थानकात आज घडलेली घटना ही अतिशय निंदनीय आहे। लवकरात लवकर आरोपी पकडून त्याला कठोर शिक्षा देण्यासंबंधीच्या चर्चा आपले कमिशनर मितेश कुमार यांच्याशी चालू आहे। सीसीटीव्हीचे फुटेज पोलिसांना मिळालेले आहेत आणि आरोपीचा शोध मोठ्या प्रमाणावर चालू आहे। लवकरच आरोपी पकडला जाईल। तसेच स्वारगेट एसटी स्थानकामध्ये कॅमेरा ऑलरेडी आहेत बसवलेले, पण महिलांच्या सुरक्षिततेच्या दृष्टीने त्याच्यात अजून काय सुधारणा करता येतील याचा परिवहन विभाग आणि प्रशासकीय यंत्रणा याचा एकत्रित समन्वय साधून एक आढावा बैठक घेतली जाईल आणि त्याच्यामध्ये स्वारगेटच्या एसटी स्थानकात महिलांच्या सुरक्षिततेच्या दृष्टीने काय उपाय करता येईल या संबंधीच्या योजना केल्या जातील।
My colleague Revati joining us from Pune to get us more details. Revati, a very shocking incident of how this incident has taken place in a very busy area, bus stand with a parked bus with a police station just 100 meters away. And this man is supposedly a repeat offender. Take us through his background and what really happened. I mean, we've just heard from the police narrating what led to the rape. And of course, now the Deputy Chief Minister of the state demanding a death penalty.
Right, Divya, as you rightly mentioned that the accused Dattatreya Gade is a history sheeter and different 6 cases have been registered against him within the Pune Rural Police. Also, the most shocking part is that one mobile theft case is also registered in the Swargate police station where this incident has happened. Now let me get you through the details of the case. This incident happened at around 5:30 AM on 24th February 2025 at the busiest bus depot of Pune, which is Swargate bus depot. A 26-year-old was heading towards her native place, which is Fulton, and when she came there, an unknown person approached her and posed as a driver. He literally said that, "Didi, trust me, this is not the bus that you're willing to get into. There is some other bus parked there." When he took victim to the another bus, where she found something suspicious. She said that why it is so dark here. When he realized that she is getting some kind of a doubt here, he said that the bus was parked late night, so there's the lights are off and people are sleeping inside. When they entered the bus, the incident happened. When she climbed down the bus after the entire incident, she also said actually one thing to an actual bus driver of the bus. She said that something has wrong happened with me. And then when she headed towards her native place, she narrated the entire incident to her sister and her friend when they asked her to lodge a complaint at Swargate police station. Then she lodged a complaint at Swargate police station and then this entire incident came to light. Also, the 8 teams of Pune Police and Crime Branch have been deployed to search the accused, who is Dattatreya Gade, and he is also a history sheeter, and currently the victim is going under a medical treatment at Sassoon General Hospital. Also, the most shocking part of the medical reports also say that the victim was raped twice, not once. Also, now this raises a question on the women's security in Pune.